Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah Sue, and today I will be teaching you how to make my famous pasta salad. It's so yummy, classic, Italian-y pasta salad. Let's get into it. So first step for my world famous pasta salad is the noodles. I prefer rotini, but any noodles will work. Next, a can of sliced olives and drained garbanzo bean, sliced and diced green bell pepper, and a bag of this superfood slaw like Brussels sprouts, kale, broccoli, carrots. I add some more carrots, rinsed and drained pasta, and then just some good classic Italian dressing. And you just mix it. You just mix it all together. Pop this in the fridge for a few hours and then serve. I personally like it cold. It's kind of weird when it's warm. Okay, thank you for watching my pasta salad video. If you try it out, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Like my video, subscribe, and thank you. Bye.